Hi, my name is Lisa Marcelino, and I am the principal of Math and Science College Prep. We are here to give you a virtual tour of our facilities today.
Hi, my name is Jordan McKee. I'm the assistant principal of Math and Science College Prep. This is our beautiful NPR, where we have so many different activities like dances, pep rallies, and of course this is where our CIF sports compete.
This is MSCP's main office, where you'll find helpful staff members like Ms. Jessica Chavez, our operations manager.
This is a typical classroom here at MSCP, where we always have our rooms carefully decorated to show growth mindset and college-going culture.
MSCP has 3 different STEM pathways for students to choose from: biomedicine, computer science, and engineering. We're going to talk a little bit about what you might learn in each of those pathways, but first let's check out one of the classroom spaces. This is an engineering class.
The engineering pathway follows 4 main classes: Introduction to Engineering, Principles of Engineering, AP Computer Science Principles, and finally Engineering Design and Development. And in that class, you don't necessarily have a teacher per se. You've learned all the principles and the concepts that you need to create a project. So what you do is you take your knowledge of engineering design principles from IED, you take your knowledge of mechanisms and structures from POE, as well as your skills of building. And then you also take your programming language from AP CSP and you make a project that impacts the real world. So you think about, what problem do I have in the real world? And then you start thinking, okay, what project can I make to solve that? And then what you do is you make the initial problem of it, you draw it, you make a CAD model of it, and then you build it. You also 3D print it, and finally you present it to a panel of judges who are engineers, and you essentially pitch your proposal to them. So think about this class like the encapsulation of IED, POE, and AP CSP all together. And for one whole year, you're working on a project that can make a difference in the world.
This is a biomedical science classroom. This is where students will learn science skills and techniques used in the biomedical field. They will investigate crime scenes, analyze DNA, diagnose diseases, and research how to treat the human body.
Hi there, my name is Ms. Moody and I teach biomedical science here at Math and Science College Prep. I wanted to create this video for you in order to teach you a little bit about the biomedical science pathway. In this video, I will go over the 4 courses that we have to offer, including some of the concepts that we cover, some of the careers that we explore, some of the experiments that we do, and much more. This video is going to include some video footage from some of the dissections that we've done. It's going to include some really cool photos of labs that we've done, and it's even going to include some of our biomedical science students telling you a bit about why they love biomedical science. I hope that you enjoy this video. The first course in the biomedical science pathway is called Principles of Biomedical Science, also known as PBS. Throughout the course, students will engage in many hands-on investigative activities and labs. They will take on the role of many different biomedical science professionals, including crime scene investigators, DNA analysts, as well as physicians, in order to solve medical mysteries throughout the year. The next course in the biomedical science pathway is called Human Body Systems, also known as HBS. In HBS, students learn about how the different body systems work together. Throughout the year, students learn about these relationships through a variety of medical-based labs and dissections. Some of the body systems students learn about include the nervous system, endocrine system, respiratory system, immune system, and much more. The next course offered in the biomedical science pathway is called Medical Interventions, also known as MI. In this course, you will have the opportunity to learn how to prevent, diagnose, and treat disease. Some concepts that you will learn about include detecting and fighting infection, DNA analysis, surgery, medical devices, and diagnostics. The fourth and final course offered in the biomedical science pathway is called Biomedical Innovation, also known as BI. In this course, you will use all of your knowledge and skills gained from PBS, HBS, and MI in order to design solutions to real-world health challenges. You will address topics such as public health, biomedical engineering, clinical medicine, and physiology.
Let's see. That's okay. That happens sometimes. Oh, so this one goes all the way down to there. But
My name is Darlene Hernandez, and I'm currently a sophomore at MSCP, but by the time you guys see this, I'm going to be a junior. And as a 9th grader, I took a class called Principles of Biomedical Sciences, which is abbreviated as PBS. And as a 10th grader, I'm taking a class called Human Body Systems, which is abbreviated as HBS. Both of these classes are in the biomedical pathway. So if you guys are interested in medicine or just the body overall, these classes are right for you. And in PBS, we conducted a lot of experiments regarding the death of Anna Garcia, and some of my favorite would have to be the heart dissection as well as gel electrophoresis. And if you guys don't know what gel electrophoresis is right now, you guys will learn eventually.
Hi, my name is Jerry Henry, and I'm currently a sophomore at MACP going into my junior year of high school. And I feel that if you're thinking about going into biomed, it's not just beneficial if you're thinking about going into the medical field, like to pursue a career, but it's just fun to learn things about yourself, like basically the way your body works on a daily basis, and learning things about like DNA and insulin. And throughout my first year of biomed, I already did so many interesting things that I wouldn't really expect to do in any of their classes. On the first day of school, it was already so much to take in, and we were being mini forensic scientists and examining crime scenes. And another really cool lab we've done was dissecting a sheep's heart, which I never thought I would dissect anything.
This is a computer science classroom where students are equipped with Dell computers, making coding a breeze.
Hey everyone, my name is Mr. Duthoy and I'm a computer science teacher at MSCP. I wanted to make this little video for you so you'd get an idea what the Project Lead the Way computer science pathway courses were like. I'm also going to include some experiences from students so you get to see what they thought. So hopefully by the end of this video you'll get a better idea what our computer science course is all about. The first course in the pathway is Computer Science Essentials. Here, students will use visual, block-based programming with programs such as Scratch, and later transition to text-based programming with languages such as Python or HTML to create apps and develop websites. This course will give you the fundamental skills you will need to grow as a computer scientist. Once you've completed Computer Science Essentials, you can move on to the second course, which is Computer Science Principles. Here you will focus on creativity to solve problems through computational thinking. You will cover several topics and languages including Python, Scratch, and MIT App Inventor. This course also dives into how the internet works and a little bit of cybersecurity and how a computer uses binary data storage and logic gates. Overall, it will give you a broad sense of how much there is to learn in the computer science path. The third course in the computer science pathway is Computer Science A. This course is solely dedicated to learning the text-based Java language, specifically with object-oriented programming and Android Studio app design. That means you get to learn like a professional Android app builder and work as a team with your classmates. Finally, cybersecurity is the newest course in the pathway. This will expose students to the super important field of cybersecurity and allow students to explore concepts such as secure database systems and how to protect against cyber threats like hackers and viruses. So that's the basic overview of the 4 computer science pathway courses. But now here's some students to give you some of their experiences.
Hi guys, I'm Myra. I'm a sophomore from MSCP and I was in AP Computer Science. And if you like using technology or going online and making games, it's the right class for you. My favorite project that we did was I made a trivia game and it was really fun to make, and I suggest that you join the class because it's really fun and I hope you guys like it as much as I did. Bye!
I'm Ash, I'm a senior at MSCP, and my favorite thing about computer science would be app building. Why? Because for me personally, it was just extremely interesting and cool just to take coding and turn it into an app. Like, I didn't know anything about it, but just over the years, it got easier, and just building apps of your choice is something that I really looked forward to. So yeah, you should join.
Hi, I'm Charlie. I'm a junior at MSCP. And what I like about computer science is how everything clicks together. And each new thing you learn is like a piece in a big puzzle. And one day, if you work hard enough, maybe you'll get to see it all fit together.
Hello, my name is Ashley Vasquez. I am a junior at MSCP and I'm in the computer science pathway. So what I like most about computer science is that once you understand the coding and the concept, you're able to have a different perspective on things, and you also realize how much you can actually do with that, like be able to create your own websites, be able to create your own games, and it's really fun because it gives you a lot of room for creativity.
Before I end the video, I wanted to share with you why I love computer science. And part of it was simply because I loved video games and wanted to make my own video game. But I think that idea is that I could imagine almost anything and I could create it and see it right there on my screen. Then after you create something, you can share it, and that could possibly spread to people throughout the world. And I think that's a super powerful tool. So I hope you consider checking out some of our computer science courses. And if you have any questions, you can email me. My name is Mr. Duthoy. I'll put my email up on the screen. But I hope to see some of you in my class in the future. See ya.
Thank you for taking this virtual tour with us. We hope you apply at mscollegeprep.org. Bye.